Okay, you guys, take a look at this haze out there this morning. Welcome, everybody. 6:16. We have a lot to get to, so let's jump on it today. Temperature-wise, it is a mild morning out there, no doubt about that. 68 up in the Lancaster, mid-60s to low 60s pretty much everywhere. This is what we're watching for Saturday going into effect all through next Wednesday. Excessive heat watches, excessive heat warnings, red flag warnings you can see for the mountain locations, all of the Inland Empire, and then out to the east. These will all come online on Saturday. We'll keep you updated. I'm just giving you a far out heads up for you as we head towards the weekend. Temperatures are going to get dangerously hot. Please take care of your animals. Don't leave them in the car whatsoever. High pressure from the Sonora Desert builds in. That's a lot of hot air coming our way, and things are going to really warm up. So downtown and the beaches, we get up there, we move up a little bit, not crazy. We're going to get a little bit of a sea breeze at the surface, but it is the interior areas that are going to really get on it. 95 for the valleys, 98 tomorrow, then Saturday, and then we start to jump as we get the beginning of next week. Even though we'll start to feel it to the high deserts over the weekend and the IE, the extreme heat kicks in beginning for the high deserts on Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can see anywhere between 108 to 112 for the Antelope Valley, out towards the Inland Empire, 104 to 107. If you're brave enough to take this time of year and go out to Death Valley for I don't know what reasons, but if you are, 122 out there, which means the Colorado River Valley is really going to get on it out towards Havasu as well. So we'll keep you updated on that.